Okay. Sell down, sell down, sell down. Oh, wow. Well, thank you very much for that fantastic reception. As a lot of you may be aware already, that this week will be my last live show for a while. I know, sorry. I know. All right. But rest assured that probably in the near future I'll probably pop on and do a show here and there. I have been advised by my production team who sits over there, and well, of course I'm going to mention you. You've been an integral part of the show. You know you haven't got a job after this, don't you? Yeah? Anyway, they've advised me that the show will be recorded in front of a live studio audience, just like the ones we have here tonight. Beautiful people. Fantastic. Oh dear, I tell you. So what that'll actually mean is that people can interact in the chat, right? So there's a chat on the right-hand side, and you can type in there and have a chat to us and chat amongst yourselves and have a bit of a laugh with us. And also, if you want to pop in on the panel, that would be awesome. The link to the panel will be on the top. It'll be pinned to the top. So if you want to pop on, there's a lot of people in the chat there that I'd like to meet face to face. It's been a long time. There's been a lot of people who have been there for a long time too. So we really appreciate that. It'll be fantastic to catch up with everyone. Speaking of panels, I guess we're going to have the usual suspects on there. We're going to have Justin on. We're going to have Tom probably, and Dom definitely, and maybe Dre might pop in if he's going to put his 2 cents worth in. And as I said, and anyone else who wants to pop in on the chat, that would be fantastic, and onto the panel, that'd be great. And of course, I'll be there as well. I know. And we can't forget the most important person, Mr. Tim Jackson. Anyway, Tim will be on, and he's going to be doing a segment this week. He's not aware of it at the moment, but I'll chat to him. And it's going to be called Tim's Chowdown, where he'll be discussing with everybody just how much he leaves on his plate after dinner of the night time. So we'll be looking forward to that segment. Anyway, hopefully everyone can join us on the weekend for one last time for a while. And as I said, pop in on the panel if you can. It'll be bloody great to see everybody. And hopefully you can join us then. Alright, so I shall see everybody on the weekend. How's that? Alright, take care all. Ciao for now. Bye bye.